Good
Good morning.
morning. How is everybody? Welcome to Wake Up Wednesday. I am Steven.
And I'm John.
We're glad that you're joining us today. Today should be really short.
Yeah,
We don't have a
should be
lot to talk
quick.
about. We are going to be talking about a new enhancement in the Ivy promo. So if you're one that uses sales catalogs, one of the requests we got at the CPE show was that when it adds all your items to the sales catalog, it doesn't add the on hand. So when you go to order it, it doesn't try to get it. So we're making that change. I guess not on hand, but the
Right.
the
Right.
on order or whatever.
So if you
filters.
have your minimum and maximum set to 0 on an item that hits the catalog, what we were running into is it would pull. You would go to pull your promotions to your purchase order, and it wouldn't bring those items over. So we've let me get this over here. Let's see.
So we've made a change that's going to allow you to do
We're
just
not
that.
in the right box.
Oh yeah, sorry, we're still up on the other window. So we've allowed you to. We've made a change now where it will go ahead and make that change for you and add the min max field. So
So-
John's going to go ahead and talk about how to do that now.
And so by default, we are setting that to. There's a checkbox that says if min or max equals 0, change it to 1. Like I said, so if you have an item that's been on the shelf and it's 0, it hits the catalog, and once it adds the promotion to it, it's going to automatically change that to a 1, so that when you go to either a work order or an order and you pull it based on promotion, it'll actually pull those items. So that was an enhancement from my training at the CPE show. Speaking
Yeah,
of
and
CPE show
oh,
too.
hang on just one second.
Oh,
We'll
I
talk
do
about that.
have another feature.
So one other thing is, remember, if you want it to work like it used to, you'll need to change the checkbox that says min max equals 0. So if you still want that to stay at 0, then you'll need to check that box to make sure that happens. And then you do have another option there: remove sales data. Maybe you processed a file or wrong. You can talk
Yeah,
with
this
our
could be
support
if you
team.
processed an old file that's still in the directory. There's an actual way. Again, and it says there if you do the remove option, it's not going to mess with the min maxes. That's ignored.
Yeah, either
So-
way.
So, but that's what I was going to talk to you about today. So
Yeah, so that's a good one. And
take
so-
advantage of if you're with months, make sure you know how to use the. Then this program is IV Promo, IVPROMO, and so we do those. We send out those price changes on their schedule. Just a quick way to get those items added to your inventory and get those promotions automatically set on the day the day your catalog starts. It's going to be on sale through the date that they tell us. So.
Yeah, and so I still come across stores that don't know about this Ivy promo program at all. You're a month store, you do the catalogs, but you're adding in all the catalog sell dates and sell prices manually. So if you find yourself in that category, please call us. There is a way to add those catalogs automatically. And so, and that speaking of months, we are going to be going to a CPE show in August. That show August.
Yeah,
Sounded
August
wrong.
12th, 13th.
Something like that. Yeah.
think
So
so.
it's in August. It's in Kentucky. So if you have the option, we would love to see you there. And so, yeah, we just want to close on that. We hope that you would join us in person in August. We look forward to seeing those that are going to be there. We are praying for you as stores. Again, if you have any prayer requests, drop those in the comment section. We would love to be lifting up your specific prayer requests. We do pray for you as a store, but we would love to lift up those requests individually. Thank you for joining us. I know this is a short one, but we are so thankful for you, and we look forward
We love you guys.
Yes, we look forward to seeing you
Have a
next
blessed
week.
day.
Keep plugging in.
Bye.
Plug in every Wednesday.
Every day, Wednesday.